Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete a credit card from your Amazon account. Alright, let's begin. First, go to your country's Amazon website and sign in to your account. Once logged in, head to the top right corner and click on Account. On the Account page, scroll down and select Your Payments. For security purposes, you may be asked to re-enter your password. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all the credit and debit cards linked to your account. Locate the card you want to remove. Once you've got the card, click on the Edit button and it will show details like the card type, the last 4 digits, and the expiration date. Next to the card, you'll see a Remove option. Click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm your choice and the card will be successfully deleted from your Amazon account. If you no longer use a card or just want to update your payment methods, this is a quick and easy way to manage your Amazon billing information. So that's basically how you can delete a credit card from your Amazon account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.